The Nike Air Force 1 Low Spray Paint, set for Spring 2026, brings a fresh twist to an iconic silhouette while echoing the vibe of past artist-inspired colorways. At first glance, its stadium green, red, and yellow palette may remind sneaker fans of Lil Yachty's Lucky Green AF1, but this upcoming pair offers a completely different execution. Instead of the glossy 2000s patent leather aesthetic seen on Yachty's version, this model uses a unique spray paint effect that wraps around the heel and bleeds upward onto the upper. The fading paint treatment touches the swoosh, eyelets, and even the toe box area, giving the shoe a subtle 3D texture without overwhelming the classic AF1 shape. Completing the details are green star-shaped lace dubraes, paired with gradient red to yellow soles that tie the theme together. With its bold colors and artistic finish, the Air Force 1 spray paint offers a standout look for Spring 2026.